Grab this super clean 2011 Ford F-250 with just 100k miles for an absolute steal price of only $16,000. A beautiful white crew cab beast packing the legendary 6.7L Powerstroke turbo diesel engine. The 3.5-inch ready lift gives this rig the perfect aggressive American stance. A solid Super Duty tailgate with a deleted 5-inch exhaust that sounds incredible. Massive crew cab doors open up to a spacious, well-kept interior. Bold factory chrome grille paired with fully upgraded, sharp, all-LED headlights. Bone-dry, bulletproof engine bay with fresh oil and brand-new filters. Premium steering wheel with a fully upgraded Apple CarPlay touchscreen display. Flawless dash with 0 warning lights and only 100k original miles. The entire cabin is upgraded with custom premium brown leather seat covers. Heavy-duty bed rack, factory liner, and a secure bed cover to protect your gear. Custom 20-inch wheels wrapped in aggressive 32-inch Goodyear Wrangler tires. Valid inspection stickers right on the windshield with a clean title in hand. A deleted and lifted diesel truck at just $16,000 won't last the weekend. Message us right now to buy it.